Hi, I'm Heather from the Virginia Department of Health. I'm going to demonstrate how to install a convertible safety seat in the rear-facing position.
Infants are small and lack the body development to fully support themselves. They must have a special type of safety seat that faces the rear of the vehicle. This helps protect them in the event of a crash. You can install a convertible safety seat in two ways. It is first used in the rear-facing position. When the child is ready, you can install the seat in a forward-facing position. Read the owner's manuals for the vehicle and safety seat. The vehicle manual explains the proper placement in the vehicle. The safety seat manual shows the proper placement of the harness. Harness straps hold a child in the safety seat. The harness straps should come out of the harness slots located at or below the child's shoulders. You may need to adjust these as the child grows. The harness straps should be snug against the child. No harness material should gather into a pinch or fold. The retainer or chest clip should be located at the child's armpit level.
Next, determine if the safety seat and vehicle are equipped with latch, lower anchors, and tethers for children. Determine the desired placement within the vehicle. Use either the lower anchors or seatbelt system to install the safety seat. If using the lower anchors, make sure they are properly attached to the vehicle's anchor system. Use your hand and press down on the base of the safety seat, thereby removing as much air as possible from the vehicle seat cushion. Snug up on the lower anchor belt as tightly as possible. Firmly grab the safety seat by the belt path and try to move the seat left to right. You should not be able to move the safety seat more than 1 inch from left to right or front to back. Only use the tether, upper anchor, for a convertible safety seat positioned rear-facing if the safety seat manufacturer permits. If using the vehicle safety belt system, pass the belt through the indicated belt path on the safety seat. If using a belt system with a shoulder belt, make sure to convert the seatbelt retractor to a locking retractor by slowly pulling the belt all of the way out and then slowly releasing the belt. Using your hand, press down on the safety seat, thereby removing as much air as possible from the vehicle seat cushion. Snug up on the belt as tightly as possible. Firmly grab the safety seat by the belt path and try to move the seat left to right. You should not be able to move the safety seat more than 1 inch from left to right or front to back. The safety seat should be reclined no more than 45 degrees. This is very important for children under the age of 6 months as they do not have the neck strength to support their heads. If the safety seat is not at the proper angle, use a pool flotation noodle cut to the appropriate size.
Check your safety seat from time to make sure it is secured to the seat. Children should not wear bulky clothing. Do not add blankets or other items between the child and the safety seat. Nothing should be between the child and the safety seat harness. This also means no headrest. Each safety seat has a height and weight limit. Always know how your child fits in these limits. Children should stay rear-facing until age 2, or they meet the minimum weight and height limits for a forward-facing safety seat. This is directed by the manufacturer of the safety seat. A rear-facing safety seat protects the child by supporting their head, neck, and spine. Children need time to grow strong bodies to protect themselves in a forward-facing seat. Children under the age of 12 are safest riding in the back seat.
Contact the Virginia Department of Health if you have additional questions and to find out where you can have your safety seat installation checked by a nationally certified technician.